Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can use TikTok live application. So it's basically a clone for Bear Real and you can download it from Play Store as well. Let's open it up and I will show you how you can post your photos here. Let's open it up. So now as you can see I have made a post earlier before this video, so I can post now. So apparently TikTok send you a notification and in the next 3 minutes they are going to be able to show people what you are doing. So it's going to show you notification that you have to take a photo with rear camera and the front camera as well as an official. And here as you can see other peoples are doing the same thing. Now let's go to friends and you can follow the contacts here from your mobile as well. Let's go to settings and this is the similar interface like TikTok. You can change your nickname, profile, and if you spend about 5 minutes you will understand each option here. So yeah, that's how you can use TikTok live.